Welcome to the Property Manager by EasySheets. My name is Josh, and I'll be giving you a quick overview. The Property Manager is your ultimate solution for efficient, hassle-free rental property management. It's designed to work within Google Sheets, making it easily accessible to anyone with a Google account. Don't worry if you don't have a Google account yet. It's quick and easy to create one for free. The Property Manager comes in two versions. The basic version is designed for managing up to 5 properties, while the Plus version is perfect for those with up to 30 properties. Whether you're a new landlord or a seasoned property manager, we've got you covered. Let's take a quick tour of the key features. Both versions of the Property Manager include a comprehensive property database, where you can keep track of all your properties and their details. This centralized database ensures that all your property information is easily accessible and organized. Next, we have the Tenant Database, which allows you to manage your tenants efficiently. You can keep track of all their contact information and important notes in one place. The Lease Database is a powerful tool that helps you maintain a record of your lease agreements. With this feature, you can easily track security deposits and stay on top of lease renewals. The Tenant Search is a quick way to locate information about a specific tenant. Managing your income and expenses is a breeze. The template includes an Income tab where you can record all your rental income, and an Expenses tab to track all your expenses. Simply input the transaction data, and the template will automatically calculate monthly and annual totals. But that's not all. The Property Manager also provides a dynamic dashboard that consolidates all your financial information. It calculates gross income and gross expenses, giving you an instant snapshot of your annual profit or loss for each property. For those using Property Manager Plus, you'll have access to a depreciation calculator. This tool helps you accurately calculate property depreciation, allowing you to optimize your tax planning and maximize your deductions. So whether you're a small-scale landlord or a property management professional, the Property Manager by EasySheets is here to streamline your rental property management process. Start organizing your properties, tenants, leases, and finances in a way that's intuitive, efficient, and tailored to your needs. Take control of your rental properties today with the Property Manager by EasySheets.